Hey goons, what's
Here's
good?
an answer from YouTube.
Why is my phone always doing that? Like, what are you listening to? Why are you listening to me? Anyway, hey goons, what's good? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So I'm back with another video. Today we're talking vagina steaming. Okay, I'm super excited about this because I have been wanting to do try vagina steaming, yoni steaming, whatever you would like to call it, but I have been wanting to try this for so freaking long, and I've just been doing a lot of research and everything like that. And you guys know I recently just got my first yoni egg, and I'm like, you know what, before I put that yoni egg in there and try to manifest what I would like to come from the egg, I should vagina steam. I should yoni steam, get all the toxins out of my body and just clean it out and get it ready for the egg. You know what I'm saying? So I finally, after a lot of research, I finally found a place that I wanted to order my steam and my throne from, because they have places where you can go to get it done, but home stuff, like people make their own and everything. So I just did a lot of research and I found this company. This is not sponsored. I wish it was. Hey, sponsor me, okay? But I found this place and I read the reviews, and they had a lot of reviews and everyone says they're great, and it comes with a thing that you sit over. This goes on the toilet, and it also comes with your herbs that you need to put into it and sit over it, okay? And just have your personal lady time. So the place where I decided to get mine from was called Goddess Detox, okay? It comes with the Queen's Throne and the Queen's Vaginal Steam, okay? For the Queen, period. But it also comes if you just want to buy the seed itself, or if you just want to buy the herbs, okay? So I haven't yet opened all of this stuff. I wanted to do it with you guys, of course, because that's why I'm here. Okay, so this is the steam herbs. And if you don't really know what a yoni steam is, basically I kind of already explained it. You're gonna put the herbs inside of your throne and you sit over it for, I don't even know how long you really sit over it, maybe till the water cools down. I'm gonna read this some more and let y'all know. 20 minutes. Look at that. Reading is fundamental. So you do this, you boil some water, put this in the throne and pour the water in, and then you sit over it for 20 minutes and you just cleanse out your body. And while you're steaming, you want to think about why you're steaming, you know, to manifest what you want the steam to like clean out and things like that. Your affirmations, your visualizations, okay? If you're doing it to get rid of all them toxic relationships you were in, think about it while you over the steam. Like, yo, I would like to release those energy of those toxic assholes from my vagina, okay? And you also want to speak and think about what you want it to do in your body, meaning like if you want it to bring you joy, or if you want to release negative energy, you know, you just cleaning it out. If you want all the negative stuff out, think of all of that negative stuff coming out of your vagina as you're sitting over this steam, and what you want to get from it, what you want the steam to put back in. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? It's a personal ladies time. I feel like I explained it enough. So if you would like more information, you know, Google is your friend. So go ahead and Google it and see if this is something you might want to try, okay? But I hear it's very enlightening to the body. Very, makes you feel very positive and clean it out. And I hear that if you have problems with like fertility and things like that, this helps. Steaming helps the womb, helps heal from you know, past traumas and things like that. So if you're having a problem with that, I say, yo, try this, especially if you feel like you tried everything else, because it might be something as simple as steaming. All right, so with that being said, it says boil 2 to 3 cups of spring water and then get ready. So I'm gonna go start my water. I'm also gonna clean this out first, just because, hey, I don't care where it came from, I always wash it. It can be fresh out the plastic, whatever it is that I gotta use it for my body, I wash it first. My panties, comforters, pillowcases, thrones, okay, I wash it out, because somebody had to touch it, right? Somebody had to touch it to put it in the plastic. All right, so I'm about to go clean this out and start my water, and then I'm gonna come back when it's time to steam. Okay, all right, be back. Okay, y'all, so I have let the herbs sit inside of the water for about 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. It says do it for, you know, 3 to 4 minutes, but I gave it an extra minute because I'm like, wait a minute, that is some boiling hot water. I don't want to burn my Kit Kat. Okay, so I gave it an extra minute. So now I'm about to get over it. This is what it's looking like after the herbs have been sitting in it for 5 minutes. You will need you some sort of blanket or a large skirt or a large towel to sit over your lap to trap the steam in, so it's going to, so it can get everything about you. I'm actually so excited to see what comes out, because I watched a lot of videos and they was like, oh, I was embarrassed to show y'all what came up out of me. So I'm excited to see what's about to come out. Like, I have to see what's about to be released and detoxified. Okay, so I'm excited. Okay, I'm done talking. Cover your eyes because I'm about to take my pants off. All right, y'all, so I am situated. Okay, it says sit with your legs nice, open and wide. I'm trying to trap it all in. I don't want nothing to get out. Okay, so you sit here for 20 minutes, and like I said, while you're steaming, you want to be thinking of yoni affirmations. Okay, what you would like to get out of this yoni steam. And I also heard this is good, like, to do before your menstrual cycle comes and after your menstrual cycle comes, because before, it's going to help you with your cramps and things, and for after, it's going to clean out all of that yucky blood. I didn't want to say it like that, but that yucky blood that has not come out, you know. So I think we all should try a good yoni steam. I'm gonna sit here for my 20 minutes, find me something to do, think of my affirmations, and just steam. Okay, y'all, so I basically had to like start over, okay, because I didn't do it 100% wrong, but in case you try this product, I'm gonna tell you right now, okay, boil you a regular pot of water. Don't do the whole 2 to 3 cups, because that wasn't enough water. I didn't feel no steam happening. Okay, also the blanket I was using at first was not big enough, so I did put on my robe so that it can trap this you know, so nothing can get out. And I got a bigger like blanket to put over me, because you want to trap the steam inside. Also, when putting the herbs into your throne, they say open it up, so don't just drop it in there like it's a tea bag. Okay, you open it up and dump the herbs into the pot, and then pour your hot water in there. So I kind of had to like start over, because number one, I needed more water. Number two, I had to pull those herbs out and open it and pour it into there. Okay, so I'm back at it. I'm trapped in. I feel the difference. I can feel the steam a little more in there. So I'm starting over. Just started. I'm putting on my timer for 20 minutes, and I'm gonna do this in the dark, because I usually use the bathroom in the dark, and I just want this to be like a, you know, a moment for me. So I kind of just want, but I did want to come back and give y'all information about what's going on here. Wow, I definitely feel the difference of me putting more water and having something that can really trap the water in. I mean the steam. That's crazy. That's crazy. But now I'm feeling great. Now I'm feeling great. Anyway, so I just want to come back and give you guys an update of what's happening. I'm gonna do my I just restarted my 20-minute timer. So now we steam and we manifest and we visualize and we speak our affirmations. Okay, all right, like I said, I'm doing this in the dark, so turn the light off. All right, y'all, so my 20 minutes is up. I'll stay here for like maybe 25 though, because I just wanted to make sure I had it all. Okay, so I'm about to get up and see what we have. Okay, people were saying there was some foul stuff that came out of them. Like, I'm nervous, but I'm like, let's see. All right, so let's get up. Honestly, I think that they were a little bit, ooh, wait, I don't want my hair to. Honestly, I think they was exaggerating a little bit, because all I see in there is the herbs, or maybe I just got a clean yoni already. I don't got no toxins up in there, okay? But it looked pretty regular to me. It looked like the herbs that I opened and put in there, so. But my badge feels great. It feels nice and steamed and rejuvenated. Overall, I did enjoy the steam. I learned a couple of do's and don'ts during my yoni steam experience, and my vagina is happy. So who doesn't want a happy vagina? Anyway, so that is all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was informative. I hope that if you were thinking about doing some steaming, that this video helped you out at least a little bit. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So until next time, if you like this video, make sure you like this video by giving it a thumbs up, share the video, comment down below, hit that notification bell if you want to see more of me, and if you don't, then don't, but you know I fucking appreciate it. Hey, I always be confused if I feel like doing this whole hey part every time. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.